What's up, traders? It's Mark here coming at you with today's wild market trading recap, and boy do I have a good one here for you. All right, I warned you that the month of December was going to be through the roof volatility, and I also told you don't you dare think about leaving your computer or your workstation. Okay, real traders, professional traders, we don't believe in vacations, we don't go on holidays, we eat, sleep, trade. And boy, did my prediction come true as this volume indicator nailed a shocking 500-point plunge on the S&P 500. All right, guys and gals, so let's get into it, folks. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. Welcome to the channel. We specialize in one thing and one thing only, and that is trend trading. Okay, trend trading is a system and a style and a technique, you could say, that has been proven. It's been back tested, and in my humble opinion, it is the only method that can bring consistency to a person's trading. All right, now I want you to watch nice and slow how to use a trend trading system to spot and locate high probability, low risk setups. That's all we try to do as traders. All right. Step one, folks, you got to have this bar type. This is called my proprietary T-bar chart. It's a very nice, clean, organized bar type, and it is a true representation of price action. Okay. Step number two, you gotta have the vol indicator. What is the vol indicator? Well, folks, this is the green and red color band that you're seeing on the screen right now. All right, nothing else like it in the world. And what this indicator does is it's a predictor of a trend change before it happens. Case in point, can you guys see how this thing changed colors, right? You see how the color band was green over here at around midnight, and then right around here about 7 o'clock in the morning, can you see how it changed colors from green to red, right? This indicator at this moment in time identified for you a trend change. All right, guys and gals. Now, when you see this happen on your chart, this means something. This is a statistically significant development on your chart, and you got to pay attention. But it doesn't mean that you randomly come in and start selling E-mini futures left and right. You understand what I'm saying? Because the way that I like to play it is I want to be safe. I don't care about impulsive moves, right? As an example, nobody knows for sure that when you get the trend change, the market's going to take an absolute dump like it did today. You have to be prepared for it to do that, but you also have to look for a safe, logical, low-risk way to do that. And here's what I like to do, ladies and gentlemen, all right? For all you long-term subscribers to the channel and all you customers who crushed it today with my volume indicator, you know what's coming next, right? When the color changes on a certain bar, I want the market to prove to me that the move is real. Okay, so if it turns red, show me that you're going to sell off a little bit. Don't take an absolute plunge just yet. Instead, just show me, give me some lower prices. Prove to me that this color change is real. All right, which it did. You can see you immediately got a couple of red bars. In fact, let me just dial you guys in here. All right, just so you guys can clearly see bar by bar what happened today. All right. Indicator turned red on this bar. All right, we get a couple of bars in our favor, and then look what happens. The market starts trending up, right? Starts giving us a couple of green bars. This is what we want to see, culminating in one of these. Okay, folks, this right here is the perfect setup. When you see this on your chart, you'd better start drooling. You'd better start salivating, because at this moment in time, the market's giving you an opportunity to climb on board that train before the train leaves the station. Now, what's so special about this setup? Well, this meets all of my criteria for a high probability retracement trade, right? So number one, we got to know the direction. That's obvious because the color band, as you can see here, this color band is red. We already know that we're going to be playing it to the short side. Makes sense? Number two, we need to see the market first establish some downward momentum and then come back up. And this location in the chart where it quote unquote comes back up, ladies and gentlemen, this is the retracement. Okay? Learn this setup, master this setup. I'm telling you folks, this is going to change your trading forever, in my opinion. This type of setup happens almost on a daily basis. Anyway, we got the retracement and we are waiting for one final piece of the puzzle. All right? We got to see a red reversal bar. Let me just quickly highlight this properly. We want to see a red reversal bar just like this that prints against the red color band, aka the volume indicator, and it's got to be above the color band. Can't be below it. It's got to be above it. You with me? And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's all you have to look for if you believe in retracements. That's all you have to look for if you believe in trend trading and the power behind a trend trading system. Why? Because the entry criteria and the stop loss location are so common sense. For example, when the setup's true, we would look to potentially go short this market on the open of the next bar, which is right there. We would then look to place a stop loss 1 or 2 ticks above the signal bar, which is right there. Okay? And that's it. You're in this trade. You got a tight stop loss in play, and you just wait to see what happened. And what happened today? Well, if I zoom this bad boy out, you guys can see that this market took an absolute dump for 500 ticks. Okay, guys and gals? Or pips, if you follow along in Forex. This is a 1, 2, 3 pattern, folks, that shows up, like I said, almost every single day. I want to say congrats to everybody that messaged me today, all my customers who texted me, emailed me, called me on the phone. Look, man, I love that you guys are killing it. I mean, nothing gives me more validation than my customers achieving on their own massive success. All right? It's got nothing to do with me and everything to do with you, right? You guys have taken my software and mastered technical analysis. You guys have taken the software and mastered risk management. You guys now know how to look for high probability, low risk setups. Remember, there's no such thing as a zero risk setup. That don't exist, right? All we can do as professional traders is come to our computer every single day, try to be patient, and try to look for high probability, low risk setups. And then let the trend do the dirty work for us, right? Let the trend do the heavy lifting for us. While all the retail suckers tried to go long the market, they got their face chopped off. They tried to buy the market here, they got their face chopped off, right? While on the flip side, the smart traders found a very high probability short setup over here. If you tried to buy this market today, shame on you for going against the trend, right? Shame on you for trying to buy the market when it's so clearly and obviously red. All right, guys and gals, so that's going to do it for today's trading recap. I warned you that the volatility, it ain't never going away. This is a day trader's dream. It's a day trader's paradise, and I can't wait to see if we're going to get another retracement setup tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.